Are you looking for the best way to purify water with a very simple system, right out of the box, ready to use? The Unger HydroPower Ultra system uses DI resin to purify the water to allow you to be able to wash the windows to a spot-free shine. This allows you to stay on the ground, safely use the purified water by itself in order to rinse and scrub the window and provide yourself with great results. The system's available in 3 different sizes. The 1 stage is the most popular. It's easy to move, easy to carry. The 3 stage that has 3 resin bags in it, and then the deluxe size, which is the 3 stage with the cart. Resin bags are easy to change, easy to swap out. If you are interested in the systems, I would encourage you to give us a call. We want to make sure that these are a great system for you and for your application with your water in your area. You can reach us at Detroit Sponge at 800-535-6394, and you can review all of these products at our website, DetroitSponge.com.